And today I want to do the Ho'oponopono practice. I'll just remind you that Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice for healing, reconciliation, and forgiveness. And literally it means to make right right. In other words, this is a problem-solving practice that helps us correct all sorts of misunderstandings and relationship issues. The traditional Ho'oponopono practice calls for a house visit from a kahuna, a shaman doctor, who would help the family uncover their internal problems, practice forgiveness, and release each other from recriminations, grudges, and guilt, as it's believed that conflicts eventually lead to a disease. And this process begins with a prayer. Then the problem is clearly stated and transgressions discussed. And then family members are expected to work through their differences and cooperate. Everyone's feelings are acknowledged, and then confession, repentance, and forgiveness take place. And finally, everyone releases each other of guilt, and the ceremonial feast is served. What a beautiful ceremony. And this whole thing, this whole ceremony is completed by presenting a beautiful garland to each person forgiven. So in this context, Ho'oponopono is used as an atonement ritual combined with family counseling. Nowadays, Ho'oponopono can also be practiced alone to deal with negative emotions when something upsets or hurts you. It can be used for any kind of forgiveness, from your little day-to-day grievances to major life-wrecking issues. So let's explore this powerful practice together now. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy. Don't worry about focusing intently on your breathing. Instead, simply allow your body to breathe itself in and out. No struggle, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy. And now bring to mind a person or a situation that provokes feelings of deep upset in you. Maybe you're feeling angry with your spouse or frustrated with your boss. Perhaps it's a deep sadness caused by a misunderstanding, or maybe it's a pang of betrayal. Whatever you choose, try not to dwell on the storyline, but instead notice the physical sensations, the direct experience in the body. Where does this feeling reside? Does it have any color, any texture? Keeping a gentle and kind attention on this area where the feeling is identified. Start repeating the following verse after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Part of your attention stays with your breath, calm and rhythmic, in and out. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. It may be helpful to bring your hands over your heart, or maybe keep one hand on your heart and the other hand on your belly. Whatever feels more natural, whatever feels soothing, nurturing. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you say these words, try to let go of the need to analyze them. Simply allow them to flow out of your heart and into the space around you. Trust that the full meaning of this practice will reveal itself to you in good time. For now, simply repeat the words over and over again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If any images or thoughts arise, welcome them without analyzing. Let them accompany your mantra and keep repeating the verse over and over. And maybe at some point you'll feel that your heart softens a bit. Maybe you'll feel there is more space around this feeling. You're breathing nice and soft, completely natural. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Do a quick check-in with yourself. Again, reminding yourself of the situation and just notice maybe your mood around it lightened. Maybe you even get a sense of deep resolution and understanding that somehow peace has been restored. If that happened, allow yourself to bask in this easy, tranquil harmony for a little bit. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Once again, think about that situation or that person you chose for this practice. Scan your body and notice what's happening now. Physically, emotionally, mentally, how are you? The ultimate objective of this practice is to get to a point where you can think about the incident or the person with a soft, true calmness, where there's literally no hard feelings. And of course, this may take more than one session. So whenever you notice that the upset returns, you can simply do the Ho'oponopono process again. Wherever you are, in your car, doing dishes, or whatever it is, you can repeat the verse over and over, and it doesn't have to be out loud. You can whisper it, or you can do it mentally. The 4 phrases: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And hopefully it will bring a sense of resolution to you, even if the situation itself does not change on the outside. So enjoy this process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day. I will see you tomorrow.